Hi, did you know that you already know hundreds of words in Spanish? Yeah, you do. So let's discover them. So in this video, I'm going to give you another tip that you can use when learning vocabulary. So the first thing we're going to look at would be cognates. So cognates are words that are spelled exactly the same in both English and Spanish. While the pronunciation may be a little different, the meaning and the spelling of the word remain identical. For example, we have words like animal. The Spanish version is spelled the same way, but it's pronounced animal. Things like radio, hospital, hospital, hotel, hotel, idea, chocolate, gas, melon. So that's one list of words that you already know. The thing is, you need to be careful when learning cognates because sometimes they may look very similar to English words, but they're actually quite different. We call that falsos amigos or false friends, which we will discuss in another video. Another tip I want to explain to you would be suffixes. So suffix is the ending of a word or piece of a word that we attach to the ending of another word to create a new word form. For example, tion in English, education. Tion, that suffix in Spanish is usually cion. For example, educación. So the pronunciation is a little bit different, but once you know the suffix, you'd understand that, okay, this is equivalent to education. Celebration, celebración. We have words that end in ty. For example, responsibility. The Spanish suffix to ty is dad. So we have words like responsabilidad, universidad, capacidad. We also have words like famous. So ous usually changes to oso. So we get famoso. Curious becomes curioso, delicious, delicioso. And we have like animal, central, final, natural, and ist. So for example, ista, artist, artista, dentist, dentista, tourist, turista. We also have words that end in ism. In Spanish, the suffix is ismo. For example, organism, organismo, tourism, turismo. Words that end in ence or ance becomes encia or ancia. For example, difference become diferencia, distance, distancia, importance, importancia. And finally, words that end in ary, the Spanish suffix equivalent is ario. For example, vocabulary, vocabulario, dictionary, diccionario, anniversary, aniversario. So I hope that this helps, and the next time you're going to learn vocabulary, use cognates. So